Good day, Emirates 30 Yankee Super, fully established on our left, 06 right, 5.5 miles.
Emirates 30 Yankee Super, Toronto Tower, good morning, wind 140 degrees, 7 knots, clear to land, runway 06 right.
Clear land 06 right, Emirates 30 Yankee.
Yeah, 746, exit Delta 5, cross runway 06 left, Delta Tango.
Delta 5, cross 6 left, Delta Tango, 746.
Arcana 768 Tower, good morning, line up and wait runway 05.
Papa, wait runway 05, Arcana 768.
Emirates 30 Yankee, exit Delta 5, cross runway 06 left.
Exit Delta 5, cross 06 left, Emirates 4173 on the way.
30 Yankee, continue on to Delta, contact ground on 1219.
Continue on Delta 1219, Emirates 30 Yankee, good day.